What's up guys, it's Chevy here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. So for today's video, I am doing something I'm completely terrified about and I hope I don't get judged too bad, but if I do, it's whatever. So I've been living with this problem for as long as I can remember, guys. I don't remember a time that I've ever had edges. I know. Did she just say edges? What do you mean? I mean, like, my edges are completely bald. And you would think someone over the span of my lifetime would have noticed, but no one has because I have been so careful throughout my entire life to make sure that those bald spots are hidden. Okay, every single hairstyle I've ever done, I made sure I chose a good enough hairstyle to cover those bald spots, and I also made sure that they, if it was like down, it was always covered. So you can imagine how like tedious that was. Like my entire life, that was something I always had to worry about, was making sure that I fit into society, because we live in a society that we like to judge people if there's anything wrong with them. And yeah, it really sucked growing up without edges, but it's something that I've completely tossed over my shoulder. It's now accepted as a part of myself, so it's not like it's something that I'm still worried about, obviously, since I'm making this video. Alrighty guys, jumping right into this how-to. I'm starting off on dry hair. I'm going in with Gorilla Snot Gel. This is a really cool gel that really holds my hair in place and slicks it down for whatever hairstyle I may need. Using a hard bristled brush, I'm gonna go in and just lay down those hairs I just put the gel on, and just make sure I evenly distribute the product throughout my hair. So, are you ready to see, guys? This is what we're dealing with. So when I say that I have 0 edges, this is what I mean, and it's terrible. It's worse on this side, but it's okay. If you're anything like me, I'll show you how to cover it like a pro. So to form my high puff today, I'm going to be using literally a shoelace, guys. You guys can use whatever kind of ponytail you want to use. I've just been so used to using this shoelace, so yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in a high puff. With my toothbrush and my Eco Styler gel, I'm just brushing my baby hairs forward. So I'm going to start applying the product, the colored edges, towards my edges, and I'm just going ahead and starting towards my ear and just bringing the product up towards my high bun. And I am applying the product and brushing it in to all of the areas that need it. I'm jumping back in with my toothbrush and my Eco Styler gel to kind of lay down my baby hairs a little bit. So last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and just pick out my roots to add a little bit more volume, and after I do that, the look, guys, is complete. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them down below in the comment section. As always, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notifications to make sure you never miss a video. I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to add my social media accounts, find them in the description box. Peace and love, guys.
But is it too late to try? In all our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down.